A pugtastic day with Grandma.
Nuh-uh. We see Grandma all the time.
Well, my mom should be here any minute. I'm glad she offered to pet sit you guys while I'm...
Play all day. I want to take a nap just thinking about it.
Ups and Grand Kitty. Who wants to wrestle, hmm? We're going to need all the energy we can get because I want to give my...
We don't want anyone falling asleep because they're too tired.
Us? Oh, tired? Concert. Hey, Hissy. I made you a special pups. I've got some surprises for you, too.
Bob said he wants to make sure we have no tire her out. How do we do that? Well, we get tired whenever we run.
Hope you're ready for a lively game of fistball team, which means I know how to really throw.
Where'd you go? Let's go! Let's both take it back.
You too? Oh, I should have thrown a stick for each of you. Luckily, I brought...
I've ever seen. Think she'd throw a stick for me?
Absolutely.
I'll go unbury one of my...
Carrying Grandma with the other dogs here. Yeah, but I really hope she doesn't get tired throwing so many sticks.
Years.
Rolly Bob. Oh, okay. No more fetch.
Come on.
I am Present Fetch Lady.
Okay, Pup.
Gotta slow down, Grandma. We're having too much fun.